light, creation, sustenance, and transformation. Light breathing is moving our breath from the third eye, midbrain area, to the crown of the head. We'll be creating an L shape, inhaling from the forehead to the midbrain, and then exhaling midbrain to crown. Descending or retracing that, inhale from crown to midbrain, and exhale midbrain to forehead. Again, we'll be inhaling from the forehead to the midbrain, exhale midbrain to crown. Then inhale from the crown to the midbrain, and exhale midbrain to forehead. So find your own rhythm and work with light as you do this breath, massaging the pituitary gland and the pineal gland, and moving back and forth from the third eye to the crown. And then begin to rest and just notice wherever your seat of awareness falls. Maybe at the third eye, or maybe the crown, or maybe they've become together. And just continue to listen and be aware of the presence of light. Light meditation. We'll be moving the light in the third eye and the crown down to our heart. So imagine this glorious light somewhere in your mid or upper midbrain, and begin to guide it down and literally guide it through the face and throat and into your chest. Imagine bringing this light very lovingly, very carefully, kindly into your heart. Allow your heart to hold this beautiful light, almost like a baby. Just nurturing light in your heart. It's so simple. And just let the light from the crown and the midbrain be so welcome in the heart, and feel so at home in the heart. And just nurturing light, however that is for you. Enjoy this beautiful light. You may literally see the sun, moon, and stars in your heart, or a presence of light. And allow this brightness to fill your body, to fill your cells, to fill your energy, to fill your connection to others. Nurturing light in your heart.